The other side to it is manipulating the timing of the vocals, and this is a tool called Audio Warp. I'll show you an example of why I want to fix the vocal first. So if I play this, there are two vocals, lead vocal and kind of a backing, and the backing isn't long enough. I want to extend it so it reaches the same length as the lead.
Of an eternity.
So you can see the bottom vocal is longer and the top vocal is too short. So if I click on that and head over here, there's something called free warp. So Audio Warp, free warp.
Of an eternity.
I can now see down here.
Of an eternity. Of an eternity.
So eternity starts somewhere there.
Of an eternity. Of an eternity.
So I can put one here
Of an eternity.
and another one here, and basically I can draw out that last word.
Of an eternity. Of an eternity. Of an eternity. Of an eternity.
I might need to re-record it because the quality might not be great. Let's turn off the primary.
Of an eternity. Of an eternity.
I think it's probably okay.
Of an eternity.
I mean, you can automate this, but there's a process to automate
Of an eternity.
joining the two samples together
Of an
and automatically matching the words, but I find it to be quite unreliable. The results are never ideal, but if you do it manually like that, it's pretty straightforward. So all you do is you need to make sure that you're not extending the earlier parts of these earlier bits of the phrase. We only want to extend the last word, so we put a line here and then a line at the end, and that would just adjust them. This adjusts the start of the phrase, this adjusts the end of the phrase, and you can lengthen it or shorten it. That's what I was saying the other day, is if you don't have a fine-grained enough recording, you lose a lot of quality once you start extending it. So I've got it recording at 96 kilohertz. In the previous release, Tears Fall, I did it at 44, which is a bit of a learning process. But basically, when I tried to do fixes like this, as soon as you extended something, because there wasn't enough samples in the data, it starts to sound like very electronic, sound like Share Believe song. If you sample it higher, you're able to extend it, change the level of the pitch and all sorts of things without it being totally corrupting the data. So that's just one example anyway. Hopefully that's useful.